Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off incognito mode in Google Chrome. So if you went to your Google Chrome and you wanted to turn it off, you're going to be able to see the three bars at the top right here. You're going to see new private window. If you used a third-party method or third-party app or website in order to actually pull this off, unfortunately you might risk a chance that you lose your files. So basically, if you don't want to use the incognito, you won't be able to you can actually open a new tab and still you won't be bothered by the incognito or the private private browser, right? So you don't need it's part of the browser itself, right? So you don't need to actually use a third-party method, otherwise you might risk losing the files. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.